So this is the iPhone 12 Pro that had a issue with the motherboard. I have given this one to a local shop, and that guy has messed up the phone in a way that the damage was irreversible. But after like that time, I have given up on this phone that I'll not repair it and just leave it. But later on, that I have got to know that there is a MobiSpare online. When I search on Google, I have found that there is a MobiSpare who can help me with this. So I have contacted them and visited them at their store and handed them this phone. And later on, they have told me like this is what it will take to repair it. So there was like a lot of issue with it, not just the motherboard. There was a Wi-Fi issue also. There is a Bluetooth issue also, and so overall there were these issues, and they have able to completely resolve it, and I am happy with their services. So yeah, if anyone is looking for the repairing or service or any part change, please do contact them. I am happy with them.